All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. How's it going, guys? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Yeah, Vincent, you're welcome. Yeah, can see Vincent on the live show already. I see you've been looking at some coins already. Yes, how many of us took the OP trade? Okay, the entry is supposed to be somewhere up there, right? Yeah, how many of us took the OP trade? Right? So we're looking to take opposite direction when it comes down to this area, right? So we're looking at OP around this area and it shoot up that way, came back down, went up there again, and yeah. So if you have paid attention to OP, you would have traded OP again and again and again and again. All right, so you would have gotten like 2, 3 trades out of this, and this is still going in profit. All right, that's still going in profit. So yeah, let's see how that plays out. If we break below this level, then we should be looking at $1.50 51 okay. Yeah, so that's basically it. So if you followed up in the morning and you took all of these trades, congrats. Okay, that should be in profit for you already. Okay, so Vincent wants us to look at the is it UNFI USDT? Yeah, let's look at that and see what's possible with that. Okay, guys, so this is what we're looking at in the morning, and as you can see, we broke above that level. That hit our stop loss. Okay, so we broke above that level we're looking at in the morning. If you were targeting, just hoping that this would have come back down to that area. Okay, it did hit, our entry and then give us a little bit of profit. For those of you who were targeting like 10%, 20%, here would have been your take profit level. Yeah, here would have been your take profit level. But if you are hoping to get that trade down here, then it would have hit your stop loss and the rest. Okay. So right now we're looking for new entries for this particular trade. All right, new entries for this particular trade. But right now, okay, with this candle here, we need to wait for this to close. This candle will close in the next on the 4 hours time frame. This candle will close in the next 2 hours. So let's see the reaction that we are going to get from that candle. But even at that, we need to look at possible entering areas. I see this, okay, until this candle closes above this area with a body above this our resistance, okay. We are still at that resistance. Okay, so until this candle closes above this area of resistance with a body, we are still at that resistance. So yeah, I'm still looking to get, because you can see something like this, okay. At the end of the day, you end up seeing a wick like this. You can see a lot of wicks here and all of that. So I see the same thing happening with this particular trade. Okay, I see the same thing happening with this particular trade. So yeah, if you want to enter a trade right now and you have money to hold the position, okay, if you have the money to hold the position, then we can be looking at entering a trade. Let's say we pick a trade at that 174, 4.74. All right, 4.74 would be an ideal for us. So we can go down to a lower time frame and start looking for those entries. All right. But until that closes, maybe that will give us a new, move to the upside and all of that. So if we are going to go up, all right, if this actually pumps, the next thing we should be looking at, or next area we should be looking at, guys, going forward, if we break above this level, next level we should be looking at will be here. Okay, so if you see this going up, you can take a trade and be targeting that 5.3 level. All right, 5.3 level up to that level of 5.8, and even up to the $6 level. All right, that is if we break, if this candle closes above this level. But for now, I think we should just observe this and see how it happens. Okay, well, let's just observe this trade and see how it plays out by tomorrow. Okay, let's observe this trade and see how it plays out by tomorrow. Because if I say go short, you will go short now, okay, and still make profit. But okay, yeah, if you have to go short, okay, you can target that level, stop loss over there, and maybe you can target down this area or even at the resistance here. Okay, it goes up there, you take profit at this level, right? take profit at this level and all of that. If you want to take it down, take it down. All right, that is if we have a week that turns out to give us the same thing we've been experiencing in all this week or returning back down. If we have that playing out here, then yeah. But the overall view for me, okay, the overall decision I will take right now for this particular trade is to wait for it to close, wait for the candle to close above this area, then we can be looking. That's for the daily candle to close above this area, then we can be looking to buy to the upside. All right, we can be looking to buy to the upside. So for SFP, let's see SFP USDT. Okay, guys, welcome to the live show. If you are just joining us, smash that like button, okay? Yeah, smash that like button. This trade is still running, okay? The SFP is still running, okay? That's the target we're looking at in the morning, right? So the entry level we're looking at in the morning is there, and then that trade has triggered. So let's see how far this can go, guys. So let's see how far this can go. All right, let's see how low this can go. If you're in this trade already, great. Okay, let's see how low this can go, because we went up to that 51 cent level, and then we are coming back down, right? So let's see how far this can go, guys. Let's see how far this can go. If you come back down to the 200-day moving average, you should be looking to take a short trade, a long trade from there to the upside, guys. Okay. All right. Alternatively, if you still want to enter this trade, you can wait for a break of that trend line, guys. All right, a break of that trend line, that is anything below this 236 level, right? 236 level. But those of you in the trade already, okay, be looking at taking profit. You can close half of your position at the 386 level, 382 level, okay, which is around 47 cents. And then if it goes down to the 50% level at 46, you take profit. If it goes down again at 44, you take profit again. Yeah. All right. So yeah, that's exactly what I'll be looking at for the SFP. Okay, SFP, you're in that trade already. Kudos to you. Okay, your Telegram group link. The Telegram group link, you can go to the description of the video. Okay, so if you are on this video right now, just go to the description, click on Show More. The first link there is to sign up for a Bybit account. The second link is for copy trading on Bybit, and then the third link is to join the Telegram group, guys. Okay. The third link there will be to join the Telegram group, all right? So if you want me to put it on the chat, I can go ahead and do that right now on the chat, all right? So yeah, that's it on the chat. If you want to take join the Telegram, you can go ahead and join using the link I just posted on the chat, okay? And guys, before I forget, please, I need you guys to go join my team, okay, for the Gate.io trading competition, guys. There are a lot of giveaways here for you: iPhones, iPad, AirPods, and all of that. The ongoing competition comes with a lot. Now, if you don't have an account, you click on that link, it brings you here, you sign up for a Gate.io account, okay? And you have bonuses that you can get and all of that. But let me, let's do the trading competition stuff. So I have created a team already, and I need people to join that team, guys. Right, so if you scroll down here, once you just come in here, early registration is still ongoing, okay? So just click on team registration, and after that you can go ahead and join my team. All right, after that you can go ahead and join my team. So just scroll down here. Once you complete all of this stuff, all right, joining will give you opportunity to draw this, okay? Once you click on draw, now anything you win, if it is the BMW, if it is DOGE, if it is the iPhone, anything you win now from 31st will be giving out this, okay? Then once you scroll down here, you want to go ahead and search for Team Digital, all right? My team here is Team Digital. This is me. I only have one person, okay? I only have two persons on my team. So guys, I need you to join this team, okay? I need you to join this team. Let's go ahead. Gate.io has set aside $5 million as a reward pool for all that we participate in. So please do me a favor by joining my team, all right? Do me a favor by joining my team. Let's do this trading together and see how we can go home with some bonuses for ourselves. All right, so I'll be joining Gate.io on their live stream every day, starting from 31st of August for the giveaway. All right, so I equally want you to be there. I will give you an update, read times, and all of that. So please go join my team. Go join my team. Let's do it together, okay? Go join my team. Why the Bybit trading competition is coming to an end in 4 days from now. While we end that one, okay, next week we are starting another competition with Gate.io. So please join my team, guys. All right, join my team. And now, one thing you should understand is on the Gate.io, you actually need, if you have a MetaMask and you have your funds and you want to trade directly from your MetaMask, okay, you can use the Web3 version. Okay, if you want the exchange itself, then you need to do KYC and all of that before you can use the platform. So please, all right, you have those two options to join and trade. Okay, that is for SFP. This is already in the money, so monitor your trades and take profit accordingly. All right, so for Moses, I've just posted the link on the chat, so go ahead and join the Telegram if you want to. And I need to be close to you, please. Where do you live? Okay, all right, I live in Nigeria. Samson Ndu. Okay, you should be a Nigerian. I personally based in Abuja. Okay, based in Abuja, and hopefully we are working on something in Abuja here where we can have a training center where people can come around. All right, it's going to be a training center and a trading center as well. Right, training and training center. So we have where we have sections for training, and then we have where people will actually sit down and just chill and trade. Okay, where we can be trading together, look at the chart together, get ideas. All right, we learn from each other. That's exactly what we're looking at setting up in Abuja here. Yeah, so I'm based in Abuja. If you're in Abuja, it's good for you. But majority of you are in Lagos and other parts of the country, Port Harcourt and the rest. But right now we start from Abuja, okay, and then gradually we extend to other parts of the country as well. All right, so for SFP, this is what I'm looking at already. We're in the morning, and let's look at, I wanted to look at BTC. So let's look at BTC itself and see. Yeah, BTC is currently where it is. We don't know the next thing that BTC will actually do right now. Okay, BTC can decide that this actually played that. I was looking at that yesterday. So I'm looking at taking a long trade to the upside as well. Okay, I'm looking at taking a long trade to the upside, guys. So I'm looking at taking a long trade to the upside. When can we get out of this zone here, guys? When are we going to get out of this? Are we going to break down or up? That's exactly where, that's exactly what we should be asking ourselves. Are we going to break down or up? Right. So we take. Let's just take advantage of this area here and see what we can actually achieve, whether we're going to be entering, long trades, short trades, and all of that. But basically, I'm just looking at scalping these areas, okay? I'm just looking at scalping. Currently, on the Fibonacci retracement 2, guys, we are, if I go to higher time frame, our fib level is, we are at that 382 level. That's exactly where we are currently trailing, okay? At that 2 level. So we're looking at taking trades from here. So if we get down to that 25,800 again, or 25,850 or thereabout, I'm going to take a trade to the upside, and then if we come reject at this area, I'll take a trade to the downside. So I just want to take advantage of this area right now, okay? So I'll be looking to take a quick trade for BTC if we get back down to this level. All right, and then target that trend line there. Okay, so for BTC, that's exactly what I'll be looking at. If we get down there, I'll take a trade to the upside, and then until we break either of this way, okay, until we break out of this level, I'm just going to take advantage of this right now. Okay, I'll short here if we reject there, I'll long here if we reject here. Then if we break below that level, we can be looking for short trades, and then if we break below this level, next level we are looking at, guys, will be that $25,000, the $24,000, and it goes on that way until we get that to maybe 19,000 or thereabout. But I don't think BTC will get to 19,000. All right, but September is always a boring month for BTC. We don't know if this year's September will be different. Remember that Bitcoin halving is coming up next year, guys. For those of you who want to make a lot of money in crypto, the time to prepare is now. Okay, when crypto don't panic. Even when every person is saying, the market, crypto is there, Bitcoin is there, guys, the time to accumulate a lot of crypto is now, okay? Accumulate, not just random token, guys. Don't just go and start buying random tokens. Just buy tokens that will give you money when the next bull run happens, Okay, everybody is preparing for the next bull run, and you know what that means. The next bull run means that BTC will hit another all-time high. Okay, the all-time high we hit sometime in 2021 was around 69, $69,000. So what if this time around the all-time high gets to $70,000, $80,000, or even $100,000? So the time to prepare for that bull run is now. And when that bull run happens, every other thing in the market will start following suit. Okay. Okay. Please, do you have any of your friends maybe no go or let me share just somewhere trading center? Well, there are no trading center everywhere. Okay, so the only trading center we have is on Telegram, and then the one we do on daily on YouTube. All right. So for now, join us online. Okay. For now, always join us live online, and let's see how we can take that further. Okay, always join us live every day online. That's basically the center for everybody, where you can join from wherever you are. Okay, wherever part of the world you are, join us every day. All right, join us every day online, guys. Okay, yeah. So for BTC, that's what I'm looking at. Let's wait if that will come down to that level. Okay, if it comes down to that level, yeah. Currently we are in the middle, so we'll wait for this to come down. Let it come down to this level. If it comes back, gets down here, we're going to take a trade to the upside, guys. If it gets down there, we'll take a trade to the upside. All right. So if I go to buy bid right here, I can be looking for other tokens that are doing very well. I think we equally looked at this token in the morning. SPF, we've done that. And then for lever, right? Yeah, lever is I saw that at 15 cents. I wanted to short it, but because I got liquidated the other day, I just decided to avoid the token. Right now it's at 13 cents. Okay. So let's look at lever and see what's happening there. Yeah, I wanted to short that, but I decided to avoid lever, guys. Yeah. So I saw this. Yeah, this is exactly why I saw this trade when I wanted to short. So this would have given me a good, like over 11% with a 10x leverage. That's like 100% return. So if I put $100 in this, it means that I would have gotten back $100 and all of that. And that's the area I was looking at. But this is the move that got me liquidated the other day. This one, just within a second, zoom, and then it came back down. So I was thinking this candle that was pumping would do the same thing, but unfortunately, we didn't really do that. Okay, so we just rejected here and started going back down. Right. So right now we'll be looking for a trade to the upside on the 1 hour time frame. Let me take the Fibonacci retracement tool, maybe from here, the body. Let's do the body, or let's do the wick. All right, from the wick there up to that wick there. Yeah, guys. So a good entry will be from here. Okay. For lever, if you want to long, okay, if you want to long, you can decide to long here at this area here. But personally, where I will looking to take a long trade for this particular token is if it gets down to this level, guys. Okay. If it gets down to that level, I'll be looking to take a trade here to the upside. That's exactly what I'll be doing. All right. So my long setup will be from that level up. Right, so we'll be looking to take a long trade from here and maybe target that previous high there and all of that. Then put your stop loss close. Put your stop loss close. Okay, so for lever, that's what I'll be looking at. If I'm to trade this token, that's exactly what I'll be looking at, guys. So if you want to take this trade, you can go ahead and use limit order to get ready for that when it gets to that level. All right, when it gets to that level. That is, that should be below this stuff. But if I take this thing down here, you see that our 786 level should be just exactly where I drew that stuff. All right. So that's what I'm looking at currently, guys. Okay, smash that like button. All right, guys, smash that like button. Smash that like button. And I have a goal. I have a goal to hit 50K subscribers. So help me achieve that goal. Okay. Let me achieve that goal, guys. Let me achieve that goal. And if there is any token at all you want me to look at, guys, put it on the chat. Put it on the chat. All the tokens you want me to look at, put it on the chat. Let me, analyze them for you. Put it on the chat and go ahead Let's look at it together so that you go ahead and start taking your trades, okay? Any token at all you want me to look at, put it on the chat, guys. Smash that like button, smash that like button. And once again, guys, the Gate.io trading competition is on. Please go use this link here. Okay, I have a link here, all right? Where you see the top 10 exchanges, I have a link here. Sign up for a Gate.io account, make a deposit of $100 and participate in this. There are 21 iPhone 15 Pro Max to be given out. There are 50 iPads, okay, to be given out. I'm saying this because I am part of those that will be giving out those, okay? That will be giving out these things. I'm not saying it because I just want to entice you guys, all right? For early bird registration, which will end in 2 days, you probably stand a chance to get up to $50, okay? But by just registering, right? By just registering, you stand to qualify for that, okay? And you get a draw, okay? You get a ticket to come draw here and all of that. So please join my team, guys. Just come in here. Team Digital is my team. I need you to join, okay? Just come in here and type in Team Digital. You'll see me here. Click on join the team, okay? Just go ahead and join my team. Let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. All right. So yeah, don't worry. I will do giveaway when Bybit finally gives me all the earnings. Okay. The giveaway for the Lamborghini, the Rolex watch, they will do a live stream next tomorrow. So I will probably let you know. Okay. Yeah, Sunny, you're welcome. Yeah, welcome to the live show. So yeah, OP, yeah, that's what I was looking at right before. I think that was what the first token I looked at today. Yeah, OP, we shorted that OP there in the morning, and then we're looking at long trade from here to the upside. Okay, so OP right now, what I want you to do, guys, is to pay attention at this zone here. Okay, yeah, the OP is still coming down, So if you're still holding on to that trade, well, good for you. That will soon hit your take profit level. But what I'm looking at is this area. Okay, if OP comes and reject from here, please don't enter because it tested this area. Wait for a rejection. Okay, wait for a rejection. All right, that is the only way you are going to, enter a trade here down. Okay, because if we break below this level, then a good area to enter a long trade will be somewhere around here, right? Somewhere at 1.51. All right, somewhere at 1.51. But if you are still in this trade, just let it play out. Okay, I see it's still coming down. Just move your stop loss, guys, either to entry, or you can move your stop loss to wherever you know that when this trade closes, you will still be in profit. Okay, if you still want to hold on to that, move your stop loss. And yeah, so for OP, yeah, guys. So if we come and reject from here, you take a long trade. In lot, your long setup should be anything from here. Okay, yeah, from here you should be taking a trade to the upside and all of that. All right, that is looking at the 15 minutes time frame, guys. That is looking at the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so yeah, that is it for OP. Sunny, that is exactly what I was looking at for the OP trade. Okay, so another token that I would like to look at, BNT. Yeah, BNT is equally having its own pullback right now. So let's look at BNT. Yeah, so we have BNT went up to as high as 48 cents, and then it dropped. Okay, 48 cents, and then it dropped. So yeah, BNT, yeah. Look at that massive week. Okay. All right, so we had it move up to that level, and then we started dropping. Right now, we should be looking for areas where we can start picking trades. Okay, areas where we can start picking trades to the upside, guys. So this area here would be a good area to look for longs. Okay, another area there will be here. All right, another area there will be down there. But if I bring my Fibonacci retracement tool, let's see a good area. Let's take it from here, this high there to there. Okay, and you see that currently we are just at that 786 level, guys. We are just at that 786 level and slightly below that 786 level, guys. Yeah, slightly below that 786 level. So a good entry for a long trade would be somewhere around here at 41 cents. Okay, so if we get to 41 cents, you should be looking to take a long trade to the upside. That's exactly what I am looking at for that trade. BNT, yeah, with a stop loss, okay, do that with a tight stop loss in case anything happens. All right, guys. Okay, guys, which other trade are you looking at? Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, everything seems to be dumping right now. Everything seems to be going downward, downward, down. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, with that, I think if I go back to BTC again, BTC seems to. Okay, look at that. All right, so BTC just weak to 25,900 and then push back up. So I'm still waiting if it will get down here. I'm still waiting if BTC will get down here, okay? If it does, we'll pick a trade here to the upside. That's what I'm looking at. If it does get down here, we'll pick a trade to the upside. Yeah, what are you trading, guys? Let me know, let me know, let me know. What are you trading? What are you trading? Okay, guys, I told us always look for that setup that will give you quick money, okay? That will give you massive money, massive profit, not just any setup. All right? Be very patient with your trades nowadays. Don't be rushing into trades, guys. Don't be rushing into trades. It won't pay you. If you rush into trade, you rush out. And when you rush out, you are rushing out with losses and all of that, right? So don't be rushing into trades, okay? Please, guys, join my Gate.io trading competition, okay? Join my team, join my team, join my team. That's the team there. Just go ahead and click on Team Digital here, register for the competition, go join my team down there, right? I'll appreciate that. Okay, a lot of goodies for you, iPhones, iPads, all right? You have a lot of things to win there actually. It's a win-win stuff. It's not just all you need is just a Gate.io account, funding with $100, and let's do the trading together, guys. Let's trade on that platform together. All right. So yeah, going forward. So from next week, Bybit trading competition would have ended. So we only take trades on Bybit when we want, but the competition for Gate.io will participate there fully. All right. We'll participate for that fully. I'm going to be there with you and do the trading together. All right. Yeah, Prince Vincent, how far now? Unction. Okay, so I'm going to invite one or two persons on stage right now. Who wants to join me on stage? Okay, if you want to join, if you are in a very conducive environment, not a noisy area, okay, and you want to join me on stage right now, you can let me know. I'll send you a link to do that. I'll send you a link to do that. Okay, so let's look at Unction USDT. Just let me know on the chat if you want to join me on stage. Look at that tweet. Yeah. Those smart guys who took advantage of this dump and started picking trees down there, the ones who are enjoying it right now. Okay, for auction, I'll wait for a pullback and take a trade to the upside, guys. I'll wait for a pullback, yeah, and take a trade to the upside for auction. Right now, on 4 hours, I'm not seeing a clearer picture, but I see that this token can move a lot, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, and came back. Boom, 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 boom. I see that this token can move a lot, guys. I see that this token can move a lot. So let's do a support down there. Let's use that area as an area of support, guys. And then even if I do a trend line on the 1 hour time frame here, guys, I think we have broken above that trend line, guys. Yes, we've broken above that trend line, and I'll be looking for a long setup for this auction trade. Wait for a pullback, and then we'll take a trade to the upside, guys. So anything at 4.35, you should be longing this trade. Okay, if you get that stuff come back down to that level, you should be looking for a long trade with a very tight stop loss, guys, in case anything happens. All right, maybe you put your stop loss just below there, and we can even target as high as that level. Okay, if it goes that high, that's 13% move and all of that. All right, so yeah, as high as that level. First take profit this area here, 4.4. You take another one, 4.6, and then take another one if you get down, got up to $5. All right, so wait for a pullback, and then we'll take a trade to the upside for auction. Wait for a pullback, and we'll take a trade to the upside. All right, so for Vincent, that's what I'll be looking at. All right, don't rush into this trade. Don't rush into this trade. Wait for a pullback and take a trade to the upside. Okay, Beauty want us to look at MC USDT. Let's do that. Smash that like button, guys. Okay, smash the like button, and help me, reach my goal. I only have 8 likes here. I need more likes, guys. I need more likes. Okay, so let's look at MC USDT. Okay, MC. I see that this is a newly listed token, guys. It's newly listed, right? Yeah, so we had that pump up there. Okay. So what I'm looking at playing out is this coming down maybe to this level, and then maybe we'll go up again. So that's what I'm looking at for Nelly Beauty. Okay, this is exactly what I'm looking at. I believe if we have seen it there, we would have entered a trade there. But let's go down. Let's go lower. Yeah, let's go lower to the 15 minute. Yeah, rejected there, came back down, went back up there, and now we are rejecting from that area again. So yeah, I see this coming down to this level. Okay, so I don't know if we do something like this, come back there before going down, then it will be a good entering area for you. All right, so you can look at entering a short if we do get that, get to that area, then take a short there. All right, and then if we get back down to this area, you should be looking for a long trade from here, maybe even above that area and all of that. All right, but yeah, this is just what I'll be looking at for this token. This is exactly what I'll be looking at for this token. Right, so if you want to trade this, right now I will not be entering this trade. I won't be entering this trade. except I see this go back up there, right? Because it seems if I bring a trend line that, we just rejected from that trend line, yeah, we are going down, right? So maybe we'll keep rejecting from that trend line until we get down to that level. Yeah, until we get down to that level. So yeah, for this is a sell for me, guys. All right, beauty is a sell. Is a sell right now, but I wouldn't advise you enter a trade because we may come in here and reject it and go back up before coming down. So that's why I say that area will be a good area to short, and then this area will be a good area to long. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. That's exactly what I'm looking at, guys. All right, so yeah. SUI, yeah, SUI was doing very well, and then let's look at SUI USD. Okay, so I was looking at us breaking a booth, which didn't work. All right, so I was hoping that we can break a booth that area, which didn't work. So we had to dump to this area down there. And then this support, this our resistance is now becoming a support. Okay. So yeah, this resistance area is now becoming a support. We rejected there, came back up there and all of that. So yeah, we can actually increase this to see here. So resistance becomes a support. That's what we are looking at, all right? And then we are creating something like this here too. So what I will see play out here is if we come reject at that trend line, I'll be looking to take a trade up. Okay. So I'll be looking to take a trade anything from here. Yeah, there to the upside. Except we break below that trend line. Except we break below that trend line. So here you'll be looking to take a trade if we get back down to that level and then target that area there. So that's what I'll be looking at. All right, that's what I'll be looking at for SUI. Let's see how that plays out. All right, let's see how that plays out. Okay, guys, which other token again do you want me to look at? Let me know on the chat. What are you trading? Okay. Boo, let's look at SRP. Okay, let's look at SRP. Guys, smash the like button, okay? Smash the like button. Let's look at SRP. SRP USDT. Okay, guys. So currently we are using this area as our resistance. Okay, we just rejected from that area. That's rejecting from the 200-day moving average, right? So we are rejecting from the 200-day moving average. So I see SRP at least coming down to this zone here. Yeah. So let me even take it from there. And we can take the trend line from up there that way. So yeah, guys. Still expecting that trend line until we break above it. We are in a downtrend, guys. So a sell, yeah, I'll be looking for a sell for XRP. Look at that massive candle down. Be looking for a sell for XRP. Yeah, be looking for a sell for XRP, guys. But right now, don't do anything yet, okay? Don't just jump into any trade. Maybe if you come reject at this area at 50 cents, okay? At 50 cents, you should be looking at taking a trade to the upside. All right? At 50 cents, you should be looking at taking a trade to the upside. So, yeah. That's what I'll be looking to play out for XRP, guys. Let's see how that goes, all right? So when we pick a trade, if XRP comes down to 50 cents, we'll pick a trade to the upside for group. Let's see how that play out, okay? Let's see how that play out. Let's look at compound coin. Okay, so I'm looking at picking compound coin at the 786 level, but that hasn't played out yet. All right, has not played out yet. That is at $38, but it has not played out yet. So yeah, I wanted to reject at that 786 level to the upside. So maybe this drop that is coming would come take that play, that trade here and take it to the upside. But if not, that's exactly what we are looking at. And remember, if the 786 level refuses to hold, then you can just go back down to the support line, to the support level here. Okay, this area will become your support, and pick a trade from there. Any token you want me to look at, put it on the chart, guys, and smash that like button. Right, put it on the chart, smash the like button. All right, guys, just give me a moment, okay? If there's anything you want me to look at, put it on the chat. Just give me a moment. I'll have to move my mic for a moment and then I'll get back, okay? Okay, yeah, we'll look at all your tokens right now. I think I'm back. So yes, I'll look at all your tokens right now. So okay, BTC is still holding that level. Let's see if it will, push back down there. We'll see what happens. Okay, BLC. Yeah, so for BLZ, we're looking at it in the morning, right? We rejected at that 618 level, right? Yeah, so 618 level is where we rejected. So I say let it go. And then if you wanted to enter a trade, you would have entered long time ago. Because currently we are above that resistance level, right? So we are just trading above that resistance level. So yeah. So we had a reject at the 618 level. It went up to around 30 cents, came back down, and now we are going back up again. So for BLZ, if you are going to trade this token, be looking for a long setup. A trade to the upside. Yeah, a trade to the upside for BLZ. That's exactly what I'll be looking at because our support, we're still holding above that resistance level, which is becoming a support right now. Okay. Yeah, so that resistance, which is becoming a support, is the area we're rejecting from this area before, but currently we are trading above that area. Until we break below that area, guys. So from the 618, we went up to that 382 level and then came back down and we're going back up again. So it's a buy for me for BLZ, right? It's a buy for me for BLZ. And then the bigger picture of what I asked you to look at is if we get down to this level, then you should be buying from here, or alternatively down there at the support. Okay, but the 618 level is still a level that is respected, and that is exactly where we had that bounce from, right? Okay, so for the next token, which is the fit file or whatever the name is. Wait for it to get down to that 786 level, okay? If you are looking for a long trade, that 786 level would be a good area to take a trade. So anything around 0.0044. 0.044 will be a good area to take a long trade to the upside. 0.0044. Okay, will be a good area to take a long trade to the upside. Yeah. So you can set your long setup here. I was looking at this area. That is, if we can get down to this area, we should be at that trend line. Okay, we should be. I wanted it to come reject at that trend line and go back up. All right. So if you want to trade this token, a good entry zone would be, So what I want to see play out is, this token gradually maybe come down here and then take it up. Okay, so you should be looking for a long trade from this level up All right, from that level up, that's exactly what I personally will be looking at from that level up. Okay, guys. So yeah, that is basically all I have for you this afternoon. So tomorrow is another day. We go for another trading section tomorrow morning and then in the afternoon as well. So do me a favor, guys. If you have not joined the team, all right, for the ongoing Gate.io trading competition, please go and do that now. Use the link. If you go to the description of this video, I have a link here for Gate.io. Use that link to go sign up for a Gate.io account, and then you can register now. Okay, you can get up to $50 just participating. All right, as early birds before this expires. Okay, people are joining. More people are joining every now and then. So yeah, if you scroll down here to the team option, you want to go ahead and type in. I think it's team. Yeah. Okay, whether you type in digital or type in team digital, all of them, okay, that is my team there. Go ahead and join my team, guys. Okay, go ahead and join my team. Go ahead and join my team, and you stand a chance to go home with either iPad, iPhone, the BMW, a lot of token, and all of this. Okay, yeah. So yeah, look at the trades we looked at together, and trade them accordingly with tight stop loss. Okay, guys. Don't go and trade recklessly and start losing your account. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow morning, and the conversation will continue on the Telegram. Okay, so join the Telegram if you want. And bye bye for now, guys. Enjoy your day and have a profitable day. Okay.